So, good morning everyone. I hope you guys can hear me very well because I'm recording this on my iPhone, and sometimes it kind of goes crazy with the sound and everything. So if it looks funny as far as the audio and me talking, just know I'll try my best to kind of fix it in the editing. But I'm in Johannesburg, South Africa, and the reason why I'm here is because I make wigs for a living. So you guys know I've been doing it for a number of years now, especially on YouTube. I do have an online course on wig making, and it's showing you home skills and manufacturing skills. So I will be training on the manufacturing side here in South Africa. There's a company that I am working with out here. I can't disclose the name. I don't disclose information because I'm under contract, and that's just something that I just don't do as a businesswoman, especially if I'm a contractor, trainer in education. So you guys know I'm an educator, multi-talented Renaissance woman is what I've been told, but that is one of the reasons why I am here. I have been working with her for almost 10 years. It's probably been almost 10 years. So off and on working with her and making wigs for her clients, and now training her facility for mass production for wigs. I also have a couple of things that's going on for me personally that I'm going to be collaborating with her with, and it's going to be on training in the aspect of wig making for hair loss, and you know, it's going to be really big. But that's one of the reasons why I'm here, is to start off the training aspect for the manufacturing for wigs for her clientele as well as for my leads and clientele. So that's why I'm here. So it's Tuesday at, God, what time is it? It's Tuesday, 8:33 a.m. It's about 7 hours ahead from Detroit, Michigan. So, you know, do the math. It's Eastern Standard Time, if you're wondering what time it is for you where you are. But yeah, over here it's 7 hours ahead of the states, of certain areas of the states, like the East Coast. So yeah, that's what I'm here for. So it's I gotta get downstairs and get some things together, and first I need to eat, and then make sure everything is kind of like in its order for recording, because I do have to record the training videos for the trainees. And yeah, it's gonna be an awesome 2 weeks. So I gotta get out of here, and yeah. When we start to do the construction of the wigs, not only am I going to teach you, I'm going to teach you how to train other people too. And then I'm also going to be put in the mix. So when it's time to start producing, I'm going to be producing with you. So I don't want you guys to look at me as if like I'm like, you know, like, no, I'm going to train you what I know so you can train other people. That makes sense? Just in case she brings in more people and I'm not available, because you guys know I stay all the way in the States and I educate there too. So.
Brian Little.
in Johannesburg, South Africa, and I just finished the first round of training. There's 2 phases to the training. First phase is prepping the caps for going through the machines. And then the second phase is actually using the sewing machines. So you guys will see what machines that we're actually using. We're using they're called high post sewing machines, high post wig making sewing machines. So we're not using the sewing machines that you would normally see me use in sewing for fashion. Not that they can't be used, but because I'm training on a manufacturing style, we're going to be using the correct machines for that, so for wig making. So if you can see here, this is the training we just finished doing, is prepping of the caps. So the prepping is these steps here. I'm also making sure it's recorded in paper format too, or digital format where we can print it, so that's the same information across the board. So when they are training other people, when I'm not here in Johannesburg, South Africa, they're able to train them accordingly. And another reason why I'm recording everything is that these videos will be edited a certain way for them to continue to train themselves and any more workers that will be coming in. So yeah, this day is not completely done. The next step is getting the machines here. They went to go and get the machines, so we're going to be doing it in here. We're not in the actual facility yet because the facility is still in the middle of being built. It's built, but decorated and finished on the inside so that we can put the machines in, but we need to get these samples done because we're going to start marketing and things like that. So that's what I'm working on. So just wanted to pop in and let you guys know what's going on. I'll see you guys in the next clip. All right, so they just went and got the second machine. We're only using 2 machines. This is the brand name. This is actually a high post wig making machine. So we are gonna have to put this bad baby together. It did come with its own table when the guy sold it to us. So there's 2 of them we got, and it's just like all of the pieces that we need for it. So this is an actual sewing machine that you would use for wig making, mass produce and manufacture if you don't know. And you guys know where it's coming from, right? So these are the instructions. It's all it's Chinese language, but still pictures make life so much easy. So I will be following the diagrams. Thank God I'm a visual learner and a visual teacher as well as audio. So these are the pictures, so we're going to follow these as best we can. Might be able to find some information on putting this together, but it shouldn't be that hard. So I know the belts and all of that stuff we have to see, but we'll get it together. But yep, this is the first one. The second one is on its way. They went to go pick it up. So yeah, that's where we are. So back stitch when you're ready. Take your time. There we go. Now you can keep going. Up, get it along those lines. Try not to stretch the cap too. Just let it lay forward.